Ligiryo Murayibwense William Samuel Ruto asiri tukolera niganyara kubeka ese na kobali chiko kubwatikana no kugania gwe committee of national dialogue iri bwatogete erengete amangana IEBC kolenga no Mswada wa IEBC ni gobono bono aba committee saba na committee waguchiko chorwa aba guchiko unengyana kulingoria aba commission aba IEBC abara chikosoa ase birogo byobura hingana yaigwo kobokona bara aho kati yabo omurabeke makiodi emrera morodinga kyago ipastemini Kalonzo Musyoka amo na bara ibande roboti urwa senchira yobekera no Murikete Dorcas Kemuma.
Abaraikora sabo moba Kenya kwanza bakuru no Murayibwense Dr. William Ruto amona baraikora sabo moba azimio bakora uno Murayibwe kyama kyodi ya Raila Odinga nigoli tukolia lero ba ina kyokobekwa ese kwa Mswada bobochole amone chimbibe IEBC asomo yego yokalekana asamagacho IKCC meyomochi o Nairobi abarayabo nigo bagokera gwetigwa kwa Mswada ywe na kobari chiko asibatabamna yenenchira ya moyo goikirania egati ya machiko emergency ya Kenya aboigo kwaena obosibore.
Today's assent of the IEBC amendment bill therefore marks a significant step in the actualization of one of the recommendations of NADCO and testifies to our country's ability.
This bill that has now been signed into the law today is just one of those. But the NADCO report contains very many issues.
The constitution of the IEBC is a great step for our democracy.
Ruto ni gateba munani gobono barachi gochaka moroberi obokoligia aba commissioner bekeombekyo kya IEBC abono barachi gotinenera obochori emergency.
The signing of this bill paves way for the establishment of the selection panel for the appointment of IEBC commissioners. The IEBC remains a cornerstone of our democracy, responsible for overseeing regular elections at various levels, and on the overall, ensuring that our electoral cycle is managed transparently and administered in an impartial, neutral, efficient, accurate, and accountable manner. I concur with leaders who have said there must be professionalism and integrity.
Now set up the process of nominating new commissioners. We made it very clear that both you, Mr. President, Mr. Raila Odinga, the Prime Minister, will have to agree on, perhaps most importantly, on who becomes the chair of the new IEBC.
Ni goboigo atebamna ni gobarachi kubatrina amona baraibonsi meyense iliyokwene kibuna bairirense ya Kenya mutwe akemagenderero.
I am very confident that, as always, Kenya knows how to pull together, and leaders know how to come together in the best interest, not of individuals, not of parties, but the collective body of the Kenyan people. And I look forward to working with leaders.
Omukonyo yeri katika shawani gabori ya Kenya kuirangora aboigo kwali bagachinkwana gokoleka elio gukora emichando ya Kenya.
Of Kenya to give dialogue a chance, to give consultation a chance, get off the streets, stay away from destruction of property, because Kenya is greater than all of us.
Akura sense moyo yo kabeire omo Prime Minister Raila Odinga nigo boigo segetengane yo chinkwana asabolia serikali kubwatani abantu bonse ero kwanera emechando egendrete emergency.
If you say that between 35 and 18 constitute about 40%, we need that 40% to be present when this dialogue is taking place. And then the rest can fill the rest. And then we just talk about the Kenya we want. The Kenya we want convention. Out of that will come out recommendations that will help us to resolve this issue once and for all.
Dorcas Kemuma, Ndizi TV.